This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Oops, my hat slipped off. Weird, it always fitted so well. Oops, slipped off again.
I think I know what's wrong. It became too small for you.
But how can that be? What could make my head grow bigger?
Let me study you. Oh? I think I know what's happening.
What?
Think. Skittles, Pringles, Snickers, Oreos.
I don't get it.
Do they fill you with happiness?
Well, I do feel happy when I eat something tasty or sweet.
But it's not really healthy.
But I'm happy.
Well, let's see how much happiness you've got. Here, a special measuring tool for a slime like you. Go on, get on it.
Oh,
That's how much happiness you've got.
that's why the hat slipped off.
Right. You don't need sweets for happiness.
I can live without them.
And chips, too. Hi, guys. Today, I'm going to show you how to paint. Wait, where are all my brushes? Or at least my pencils. Sam!
Yes?
Have you seen my brushes?
I have.
Where?
Well, where are my candies?
I see you're blackmailing me.
No. It's not blackmailing. I offer you an exchange. You return my candies, and I return your brushes.
So sly when it comes to candies.
Hey!
Do you want to make a bet? If you start a healthy lifestyle today, I'll return some of your candies.
Go on.
If I can paint a picture without brushes, you'll return my brushes to me.
That will be easy. The winner takes it all.
Deal.
Oh, I need to start a healthy lifestyle. Oh, how can I do it? I've never had to think about this before. Oh, I hope I haven't lost any happiness. It grew bigger! How can it be? All right, Sue missed one. What does Sue do when she wants to have a healthy lifestyle? Oh, she eats vegetables! Oh, it'll be harder than I thought. They're so green and red. Who likes eating vegetables? Any viewers out there? Write in the comments! Oh, get a grip, Sam. Do it for the candies. 1, 2, 3. Oh, ew. Well, maybe that lowered my happiness. Oh, no? Weird. I need to think of something quick.
I need to think of something quick. No brushes, no pencils, no markers. How should I draw? No, not with my finger. So... Ugh, no, I just got my finger dirty. What if I didn't draw, but I poured the paint onto the canvas? But I need to prepare for that. Let's take the brightest acrylic paints, dilute them, each one separately. The more colors, the better. I'll stir them with sticks. But I need to make sure I use different sticks to keep the colors clear for now. Ready. I need to call Sam.
I need to find a fitness instructor. Where can I find an instructor quickly? On YouTube! What does Sue do when she wants to get healthier? 1, 2, 3, our video. Yeah, I want to watch that.
Sam, are you exercising?
Yes, but I came across our new video when I got stuck.
Well, all the better for me. Come, I'll show you how I can paint without brushes. Are you coming?
1 moment. I need to show Sue that I'm exercising. I'll go for a run.
Sam!
Coming!
Look, it's time for magic. We'll mix the paints. First, this one. And then this one. And a little bit of this one.
I am not going to drink it, though it does look like liquid candy.
A little bit more. And done!
Hey, Sue, how are you going to paint?
It's simple. I'll just pour them onto the canvas. Look.
Wow! Oh, wow! It looks just like space!
It does, doesn't it? Ah. There. Well, I'm done painting, so give me back my brushes.
Fine. I realize that I can be happy even without candies.
Well done, Sammy.
But now, I'm very hungry.
Fine, take a cookie. I'll go make us some dinner.
What's for dinner?
Vegetables!
Let's get arty at our party and try a really great effect by using sponge squares to print brightly coloured square people and even a square dog. But first, we'll need some things from... That's right! We'll need some small pieces of kitchen sponge and some card. Some paint. A rectangle. Doodle tube. We don't need rectangles, just squares for now. And we'll need a glue stick and a pen. All right then, mini makers, let's get started. Now, the first thing we're going to do is bring in some light blue paper or card. This is going to be the sky, and we also need some green paper or card, and we're going to tear it in half very carefully, like this. Now, what do you think this is going to be, mini makers? Grass! That's right, it's going to be the grass. Kieran, do you want to put some glue on for me? Very neat. We can now stick this on. There we go. And now we need to print on some square people. So let's use these square sponge shapes cut into different sizes. Now we're going to start over here. Some nice bright pink paint. And I'm going to print a square body. Like that. And when you take it off, you got a square. Then print more squares in different colours. But this can get a little bit messy, so make sure you put down some old paper first. Now we need to use smaller squares to print the heads. And it looks really good if you print your faces with the square on the side, like this. So we finished all our heads and bodies. We just need to leave it to dry. And now we can add some extra detail with a pen. How about some little strands of hair and some eyes? What else should I draw, do you think?
A nose and a mouth.
A nose, all right, Kira. Great. So you can add lots of different details, arms, legs, eyes, hair, anything you want, really. There we are, Mini Makers. What do you think of that picture? Do you like it?
Yeah!
Well, I'm glad you like it, because now you're going to make your own arty party pictures. But first, you need to put on your arty apron! It's time to start the art! Well done. Now, Stephanie, let's have a look at your picture. You're using squares to make what over here?
A robot.
A robot. I love it. And where is your robot?
At the sea.
Oh, it's at the seaside. You've torn a blue piece of paper in half to put your robot in the sea. I really like that, Stephanie. Keep going. And I wonder, has anyone else ever had any arty ideas to do with squares? Let's find out.
Ancient Roman people lived thousands of years ago.
Come on, Caesar. Good dog.
We're supposed to be Roman, so let's get Roman! Wealthy Romans liked to decorate the inside and outside of their homes with brightly coloured mosaics. These mosaics were often made of thousands of small, brightly coloured square stones that were stuck together to make an arty picture. And because signs hadn't been invented back then, mosaics were sometimes made as colourful signs and symbols.
There's a good dog, Caesar. All right, I'll get your din-dins when I'm finished.
Some Romans even created mosaics as a sign there was a dog inside guarding their house. This was just like the "Beware of the dog" signs that we have now, thousands of years later.
Heel, Caesar. Time for din-dins. It's a new flavour tonight. Lark's tongues and dormouse. Yummy. Wow, maybe I should make a "Beware of the Scraps" mosaic. I'm only kidding, Scraps. Nothing to be scared of here. And now, let's see how our mini makers are getting on.